Hi friends, today's topic is bag, paper bag and handbags and vanity bags. Avoid the cover bags. Use paper bags because cover bags is plastic, very danger and air pollutions. Please avoid cover bags. This is cover. Avoid is health problem. Please use this paper covers. This is very health and packing items. This is not use this paper bag, very healthy. Avoid this cover. Going to the market and put the vegetables. This cover is not right. Use this. This is cloth bag. Cloth bag, very safety and healthy. Please use this bag. Use this bag. I won't stitch this bag and handle. I prepare this bag. Use this papers bag. Use this handbag. Cloth is very stiffness, very strong handle, leather use. This bag is very comfortable. Not use. This is very good use items. Not use this cover. Use this bag. This is right this items bag. Please use this method. Thank you.